Hi friends, this video shows how to uninstall or delete unknown app installed from unknown sources. Go to apps tab, and here under your app section you can find total commander. This app I installed from unknown source using APK file. Let me press and hold OK button or select button on the remote. Here you can see two options, but details option is not showing here. That means this app is installed from unknown source, not from the app store. I will show you how to delete this app. Go to all settings, go to apps, set see all apps. From this apps list we need to set that app. Set total commander app, then select uninstall, select OK. Done. Deleted. This way we can uninstall or delete app installed from unknown source using APK file. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.